Group 1. Big S and Little S. Story. It is a sunny day. A boy takes his dog for a walk. The boy throws a stick and the dog runs to get it. The dog runs to the grass and starts barking. A large spotty snake is sitting up and hissing, "Sss." The boy grabs the dog and the snake slowly slithers away. Let the sound. Sss. Action. Sss. Sss. Letter formation. Sss. Sss. Song.
The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. Sss, sss, the snake is in the grass.
Words. Sailboat. Spider. Strawberry. Square. Sloth. Sunflower. Soap. Spot the pictures. Snake. Snail. Stick. Sun. Spider. Thank you for watching. Bye.